Hello everyone. Hello dear students. In today's module, we will go through physical, mental and spiritual well-being. So, what should we do for this? So, we have to do yoga. These are the different yogic postures. Means we have to do some set of, they have said 16 effective yogic postures which are very common for physical well-being. The another thing, the yogic posture is one of the fact, and the second one is a balanced diet. So in balanced diet, what we have to do, we have to take new salad combinations, fruit, nuts and raw vegetables, raw or steamed or boiled vegetables, fiber rich diets, whole wheat flour, boiled rice, beans and pulses, potatoes with skin, fruits as alternative to pies, sprouted pulses and wheat grass. So just we have to do modifications in what we are eating now. Like if we are eating maida, we have to use whole wheat flour. If we are eating potatoes, we have to ensure that it is with skin. And fruits we can use alternatives to pies, means anything sweet. Whenever you have a sweet tooth and you need to eat something, just have fruits. And in normal pulses, sprout them and have it. Living with healthy diet, anno vaha manaha, as per Rig Veda. What we eat makes our mind. So we should always have good and wholesome fruit. Man being herbivorous, vegetarianism leads to right growth with no chances of any disorder. For mental well-being, we have to do pranayam regularly, as prana is the vital cosmic energy and ayam implies dimension. Pranayam thus means go into dimension of prana and try to exercise in it. It is much more than mere deep breathing. Basic rules for pranayam. Environment should be clean, fresh and peaceful, as we are inhaling oxygen and we are maintaining it for certain period. So the environment should be clean. Posture should be erect, sitting on a vajra or sukhasana. Appropriate time is the early morning, 1 hour before and 1 hour after sunrise. Stomach should be kept empty, so just clean your bowels and don't eat anything in the morning. Restrict negative thoughts. Keep your mind busy in creative works and be regular. Relax after doing pranayam. Perform meditation with pranayam. Three types of pranayam are prana akarshana pranayam, surya bhedana pranayam and nadi shodhana pranayam. All three reduces stress hormone level. For spiritual well-being, we have to meditate and focus on our deity. Sit in a comfortable position. Classic posture is a sukhasana, or anything like a big chair with soft cushion can also be used, and straighten your spine. Select something to focus on, anything like candle flame, a flower, your deity or Himalayas or ocean. Focus on your breath by counting each inhalation and exhalation. 5 minutes to effective stress management. This was all about